Wise Wednesday is brought to you by Haven and Bloom. Visit lisabeckwith.com for luxurious candles and more products. Cleanses the mind, relaxes the body, and soothes the soul with H&B candles. Hi there, welcome to Wise Wednesday with Coach Lisa. Today we're talking about family, parents and children. It is common ancestors, strong unity. Stay tuned. A family will show love, encouragement, and support. No matter what the situation is, you will get through it together. Family unity is not based upon the biological parts of our journey. It is based upon the connection that you make with someone and joining together to see each other survive. My name is Lisa W. Beckwith. I'm a life coach, author, and educator. Today, we're talking about family. I love this topic. Anyone know me know that I love my family. I have one brother and one sister, a mother and father who is still living, and I treasure every moment with them. I also have 4 wonderful children that I have shared in a marriage, and we have 1 grandchild. Family is everything to me. And today I would like to share with you just some tips, 7 tips on how to keep a strong union in your family. Even if divorce comes up, still keep your family strong. Make sure that those ties are balanced. Boundaries are set and love is shown. So I have these 7 tips and I hope you enjoy them because again, I love family. I love the thought of it. And I know every family member is not perfect. It's not about perfection. I know that there are some families that have gone through brokenness and hurt. I have experienced it myself. But when you have strong parent and parental guidance to help those siblings in that relationship, and the parents will come together in parallel with their children, the strong unity has no other reason but to stay strong. The foundation must be built on those things. Number 1, love. Love one another unconditionally and support one another with no judgment. You may not like what someone's doing in your family, but it's not for you to bring them down. It's for you to stay encouraged by them and that they're here. And if it's a lesson to learn, they'll learn it. Number 2, loyalty. Devoted to one another. Devoted to them in their journey. Again, you may not like what they're doing, but it's their journey. Be with them. Understand them. Feel their passion. Know their desires. Give them resources. That's what family do. Number 3, bond. Spend quality time together, knowing that tomorrow's not promised to us. So we enjoy each other through the tough times and through the joyful times. We make sure that we don't take each other for granted. In my family, I love to build quality time. Our quality time is built on challenges, watching TV, listening to music, working out. Find yours and enjoy that and embrace it. Number 4, influencers. Yes, we are influencers for our family. So make sure you show inspirational moments with them. Show them that you're concerned when they're going through, especially when they make decisions that may not be beneficial for you and possibly them. So be there for them. Encourage them. Number 5, protect. Protect means to shield during dangerous times, situations that they're afraid of. A lot of times, the males in our family can't show that they're afraid, but it's okay because we have each other's backs and we're going to make it through no matter what. Number 6, provide. Provide for your family. I know that most times it's up to the man to provide, and yes, a good man will provide for his family. But we have to be there for one another, help one another in the time of need. It may not be a time to lecture when one of your siblings come to you needing support. Now, I'm not saying let people use you. I understand that sometimes people do that. I'm saying be there and provide and let them know that you care. Number 7, share. Share the moments. They are so important. I know for my children now, they're all grown up. I have one who's in high school now, but they're all grown up. And it's nothing like spending that quality time on the phone or in their presence. We share laughter, memories of childhood thoughts and things that they've gone through and all kinds of fun moments. And we've dealt with tough times that we had to have some difficult conversations to get through choices that as parents that we make, and children don't like it. And then they grow up in that painfulness. So be open and share what it is that need to be shared with your children so that they can release the bondages and not carry it into their families. So I hope that these 7 tips helped you today. They helped me. I love family. And remember, I know that we go through things in a family. I'm not painting this superficial picture. Family can be difficult, but we are all we have. So we have to be there. Again, it's not about biological, flesh of my flesh and bone of my bone. It's about the connection and letting us know that we are here for one another. Thank you for this moment. I appreciate you. Every Wednesday, you come and you join, you share, you like, and I appreciate that. I'm only growing because of you. Life coaching inspires me, and I love to inspire others. So always remember, life is to share. Life is to serve and be served. Have a great day.